Hi, welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. On Thursday, the 16th of April, we're going to look at dollar yen. And there's a sort of neutral outlook starting to develop. We had this selling pressure coming through. We actually are still in this potential downtrend building phase, but given the fact that we've had two positive candles in a row, which have now borne out support at the 106.90 level, that key reaction low that we saw early April has got revisited yesterday and held. So the fact that that support has held, and you've got the momentum indicators which essentially are sort of edging up again, sort of drifting back towards positive, drifting back towards neutral on RSI. MACD lines sort of hovering around that neutral point. Stochastics bottoming out to an extent, and having held that support, you'd say, well, you are sort of building a bit of a consolidation, really, essentially. On the daily chart, you've got the 61.8% fib at 108 figure. That's resistance. Today's high 108.10, and also on the hourly chart, you can see 108.20 is a basis of a pivot. So you've got this resistance essentially between 108 figure and 108.20, which, if you sort of take a step back and consider the fact that market is probably now in this range play, that is mid-range, isn't it? So essentially, given the fact that the momentum indicators on the hourly as well turning into ranging, RSI sort of up towards 70 would suggest ranging, sort of rolling over around that level. So you're not a million miles off the midpoint of this range, essentially, and for that reason you're fairly neutral. Just slight negative bias given the fact that you're underneath this sort of pivot area, 108 figure to 108.20, but as I said, essentially you're fairly neutrally configured, given the fact that the market has sort of rallied in the last day or so. So we're sort of waiting for signals, really. It's sort of off the top today, about sort of 25-35 pips off the top. But you're still fairly neutral on dollar yen, and looking for a decisive move, I would say. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinar.